Is it working? Oh, we're wider than normal.
Whew.
Is that it?
Going to send her back?
You're in charge of traffic.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna try something new. We're on a walk.
With the dog.
With the Doge. Hopefully it's not too windy. But yeah. All right, what have we been up to this week?
We finished the long-awaited project, which is the built-in.
Yeah, we finished that up finally.
Finally.
Yeah. I made a tool wall. You'll see that in a little bit.
It's pretty cool.
Finally got rid of that mess of shelves and stuff we had behind the workbench.
That just didn't fit anything.
So it'll look better. We ordered some big stickers, like some big fathead stickers to go on our vlog wall and everything else.
Yeah, so now we sold our desk that used to be down there.
Oh yeah.
We were all proud because that desk that we showed you in our past projects video, we thought that was just the coolest thing ever. And now we have this huge built-in that we like even better. And so then we finally sold that desk. And it didn't take long to sell. So now we're like,
yeah, we got a lot of offers on the desk.
Maybe
we priced
should make more desks.
Yeah, we priced it at about $200, which
Turn right.
I thought was a little high, but we got a lot of offers. So,
yeah, people loved it.
Yeah, my arm's getting tired.
Well, then I guess it's gonna be a short vlog, isn't it? Bruce, you're famous.
Say hi, Bruce. Say hi. We're not. The Modern Maker Podcast Plywood Challenge thing ended this week.
They did a YouTube live where they highlighted some of the videos.
We stayed up way too late.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I had to work an early shift, and
but it was fun. We got to see a lot of cool projects,
and
our watch time like skyrocketed this week.
Yeah.
That's like our most popular video because we're still small and YouTube hates small content creators. So anyway, but yeah, that's our biggest video. So hopefully we can capitalize on that and move forward.
Yep. Is that close enough?
Bruce, poop. All right, now that we got that out of the way. Yeah, what else? Is that it?
I think that's pretty much it.
All right, well, thanks for joining us, guys.
Stay tuned for some cool new projects that we're putting out soon.
Yeah, I'm excited for some of the stuff we've got coming up.
Yeah, one in particular.
Yeah,
Very excited about.
All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're watching this vlog and you're not subscribed, I don't know what your problem is. Because
that's like something.
This is not entertaining.
We just showed you dog poop.
Yeah, and you stuck around, so. Comment below, let me know whose house I should leave this poop at.
Yeah, great.
And yeah. All right, catch you next time.
See you later.